Okay, again, lots and lots of cats for adoption. I have to go kinda quick because I've got a battery flashing. So no matter what I do, it's always shorter pictures or shorter battery. So these two guys, very sweet. You may have to pause the video to look at the info. I apologize. I don't want to miss anybody. Xena and Link and Wow. I'll come back by if I have time. I wish I had time to pet them all. They're all sweet. This is White Cat. He's awesome. Good job, Betty. Serena's still here. This new guy's Wink. He's awesome. Looks like he's got eyeliner on. Huh. Carla is still waiting. You can see her. This is Sarah. Hey, Sarah. You're pumpkin, I know. Again, pause the video if you have to look at the info. I want to make sure everybody gets on here. I know this little girl wants out. Well, there's 5 kitties there, but it looks like one blob. There's some eyes. There we go. You can see them. And Chippy's still here playing away. Chip, chip. Miley's still here, lonely. 2 black cats. 2 black and white cats. These are low adoptables just because of their color. So you might consider one of them. They're great family cats. This pretty girl, Lizzie. Okay, so I'll go back by. Lizzie. Miley. Chippy. Bundle of kittens. Dolly. Carla. Cat. Sarah. Wink. Serena. White cat. Xena. The black one is Link. And the orange one is Wow. They're fighting right now. And then Wiz and Giz. There are still cats on the stray side that need to move over. They need a cage to move to, so please consider adoption. Again, try to find a home for your pet before bringing it to the shelter. Reach out, make flyers, use Facebook. Do what you can to find a home. Make this your last resort. None of these guys want to be here. You know it's a beautiful room. They don't want to be here. Come check them out.